Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about PipeDrive Pricing, the first CRM designed by salespeople for salespeople. Choose the best plan for you. Do more to grow your business. Enhance your plan with additional features. LeadBooster add-on. With the LeadBooster add-on, you can easily generate leads for your Pipedrive CRM account. It includes a variety of features such as live chat, web forms, and prospecting. Web visitors add-on. Identify the organizations that are visiting your website. This information will help you analyze your current and potential customers' needs and goals. Campaigns add-on. With the ability to create and send professional email campaigns, you can easily get more clicks. You'll also be able to see which emails are generating the most interest from your prospects. This is very important, as it allows you to align your marketing and sales teams. Projects add-on. The Pipedrive Projects add-on helps you reach your goals more quickly by mapping out complex projects and managing tasks more easily. It also lets you connect with customers and manage all your moving pieces. Thank you. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about that software for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.